Hi, my name is Rona. Welcome to my channel. I am a Cricut UK ambassador and Etsy shop owner. I just wanted to do a really quick video just to share a glitch that I've been experiencing on Design Space and just to show you something that I've been doing to unglitch it and bring it back to life. If you experience anything like this, make sure that you report it to Cricut and I'll let you know how to do this at the end of the video. Just that way that they can then improve the platform and it makes it better for all of us. I've been hearing about different glitches. This is the one that I've been experiencing. If yours is something different, maybe try this anyway and just see how it goes. Okay, first of all, make sure you've updated to the latest version of Design Space. And I'll go into that settings menu at the end just to show you, but if you're using your iPad, just your usual way that you update apps. Recently, I think it was just last week, I was doing a workshop and someone had came along with their iPad and they were typing in text and it wasn't centering even when you pressed like the align center, and at first I was like, oh, I don't know why it's doing that. Like, it was just one of those glitchy things because I went to my iPad and mine was exactly the same, and then I clicked on mine and I realised mine could be updated. I don't really use it in my iPad, but I went onto it just so that I could have the same experience that she was having. And yeah, sure enough, once I updated it, it was fine after. So definitely make sure that you check that first. Okay, so here I am in Design Space. This is one of my projects that I regularly go into and just change the names for something that I've got on Etsy. So I've got different names and different fonts, and I usually just click on it, change the name. You can see I've already done the one at the top in that first column, so the rest were already there. But the one that says Sum Sum, when I first opened it up, it let me add that in totally fine. But then when I click, and you can't really hear, but I'm actually trying to click into the other ones and it's not opening up the text box. Even when I double click, it's not opening up. So all that I'm going to do is I'm going to click make, and then it doesn't usually take as long, and I don't know if that's part of the wee glitch that I'm getting, as well as when it does it, that going to the card mat takes a wee bit longer, or maybe just that one had so many names on it. But yeah, it's just going to spin round, and once it's done that, okay, then I get to that usual screen, so I'm just going to click on mat. It doesn't really matter, but I'll click on mat. And then I'm just going to click cancel to get back out of it, and then once I do that, it lets me go in and edit the text again. So yeah, that definitely works for that text. Again, if that's not the one you're experiencing, maybe try it anyway if it's something kind of similar. Okay, I'm just going to go up and click where my name is and go to settings, and this is where I can see which version that I'm using. So beta is the version that it's going to be like the update, and sometimes if there are like updates in there, you can click the beta version and like almost like try them first. But live is the one that's already been tested, and obviously it should be fine. But if there are any issues like the one I'm experiencing, so you can see that yeah, I'm in that live version, so I would just go to report issue, and you can just, I think there's about 4 different options. You can just select the one that applies and write in a little bit about what is happening. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps. If there's anything else that you want to see, or just any comments about this, anything that you're experiencing, please let me know in the comments. And I would be so grateful if you could like this video and subscribe to support my new craft channel. Thanks!